Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to find your Gmail password in 2026. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful Google tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. At the top, click on the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the section called How you sign in to Google. Now click on Password Manager. This is where Google stores all saved passwords linked to your account. In the search bar, type Google or gmail.com. Click on the saved entry, verify your identity if asked, then click the eye icon to reveal your Gmail password. If your Gmail password is not saved here, you won't be able to see it. In that case, the only option is to reset your password instead. And that's it. You've now learned how to find your Gmail password using Chrome in 2026. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides.